Hey guys, it's Chad from Legend Fleet Solutions. Today I'll be showing you how to install one of our rear fix steps. Once we've got our brackets and supplied hardware, we're going to find our mounting location that'll be listed in your install instructions. In this case, these 4 holes here through the frame. Fold your bracket up, install your bolt from the outside in, install your lock washer and nuts. Once you've mounted the bracket, tighten the 4 bolts. Once installed, move to the next side and repeat the same steps. Once you've installed the brackets, it's time to put on the tread. Be sure to line up the first hole in your bracket with the first hole of the tread, with equal spacing on the outside of the brackets to the outside of the treads from both sides.